Welcome to Digital IT Online YouTube channel.
Today explain how to convert Telugu image to text. First open the Google browser.
Type Telugu image to text in the Google search box and press enter. Now Google search engine displays the free online Telugu OCR that is tied to OCR website link. Click on that link.
Website diplomas. In that, Step 1. Select Telugu option from the list box.
Step 2. Click on File option. Now select the Telugu image file. Step 3. Click checkbox for select CAPTCHA. If you select CAPTCHA correctly, then tick mark appears in the check box. Now last step, click on Extract Text button. Now displays the Telugu text from image. Copy and paste in the notepad. If not appears few Telugu words, then install the Google Input Offline tool. When press Alt plus Shift, Google Input tool icon appears. In that, click Settings. Then switch to Telugu option. Now type to correct few words like this by using the Google Input tool. If you press again Alt plus Shift, the Google Input tool closed. If you like this video, please click to subscribe Digital IT Online YouTube channel. Give thumbs up to like and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.